Wait lang. Saan? Wala man tayong pang-TV, guys. Uy. Wait lang. Paano yan, guys? Ayun, treasure box. Let's try. If meron akong pang. Sige. Guys, magsasend ako treasure box. Ayun. Open the treasure box, guys. And then, don't forget to send heart me tayo. Pang heart me natin yan. Okay, collect the treasure box, guys, ha. Open. Then, heart me tayo, guys. Instead of rose, go popular na lang and then heart me. Diba? May laman yung ano ko. Yung... Pero, konti lang. Nasaan na? Lumabot na ano. Konti lang yung pan-treasure box natin. Okay lang yun. At least meron. Hello lang. Thank you for the rose. Ano gili si A? What is gili si A? Alam mo, yun na talaga yung ano. Oscar! Thank you, Oscar! Thank you, Oscar! Hi, my one and only. Thank you so much for the heart me po. Hey, Oscar, thank you. Pupoy! Lang. Thank you lang. For the finger heart. Thank you guys for the follow also. Hello, my one and only. Hello, thank you so much po. Martin, thank you for the Go Popular. Guys, yung treasure box natin, pang heart me natin yan, guys, ha. Hello. Perfect. Martin, thank you, Martin. Thank you, Martin. Appreciate your Go Popular for the gifts. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, dami ng Go Popular. Thank you. Thank you, Martin. Guys, prepare, guys, for open the treasure box. And then heart me tayo. Let's go for the heart me. Hi, Bobby. My one and only. Thank you. My only one pala. My one only one. My one and only. Pabasa ko, guys. My one and only one. Hello, Bieber. Thank you, Bieber. Guys, prepare kayo. Hopefully, ang makakuha ng treasure box, guys. I-heart me. May malapit na gumagraduate pala sa heart me. Hello, sa Cerebad. Ang ganda ng profile mo. Nagpalit ka. Kailan ka nagpalit? Yeah, Filipina. Yeah, Filipina. Let's go, guys. Open the treasure box, everyone. Guys, open and then you send heart me, everybody. Let's go. 16 people ang nakakuha, guys. Let's go for the heart me. Let's go. Ayun, EJ, Sir Evan. Thank you, Sir Evan. Let's go, guys. Heart me tayo, everyone. Hey, Jay. Thank you so much. I'm not bird. Let's go, guys. Heart me tayo, everybody. Hala, guys. Boss M.